Hey guys, Likamva's funeral has now passed and everyone has to deal with the aftermath. Tawe has to learn that she was saved by Likamva's heart. Two men, her whole family must now learn and accept to live without Likamva. In fact, you can tell that a lot is going to happen this week on Inimba. So I want to share with you guys on this video some of the things that you can expect from this show starting from Monday the 19th to Friday the 23rd of January 2026. So let us quickly get into the video and start with the Monday episode. And this episode will be airing on the 19th of January 2026. And it's episode number 201 titled Someone is Missing. So on this episode, isolation deepens as one woman drifts further from those trying to reach her. Elsewhere, a moment of hope is hidden from the world. Then, an ultimatum forces a dangerous choice. I think here they're talking about Lwandle and Mawethu, since Mawethu is forcing Lwandle to tell the truth about what happened on the night where Likamva died. Now, let's go to the Tuesday episode. And this is the episode that will air on the 20th of January. And it's episode number 202, titled Denial. Grief blurs the line between memory and reality. Questions are asked that no one is ready to answer, and I think this is where Kau is asking Uti, whose heart did she get? Then silence becomes the loudest response of all, taking us now to the Wednesday episode, and this is episode 203, The Voice Note. On this episode, a message from the past resurfaces, reopening wounds that never healed. A family is forced to confront what was left unsaid. Desperation drives one woman to protect her child at any cost. Now, the Thursday episode, the second last episode of the week, and this episode number 204, titled Reunited. A long-awaited visit brings more confusion than comfort. Guilt begins to manifest in unsettling ways. Elsewhere, a small gesture brings unexpected solace. Now, the last episode of the week, and that is the Friday episode that will be airing on the 23rd of January. And this is episode 205, titled Still Here. Acceptance proves harder than anyone imagined. All rivalries resurface as emotions remain raw. A quiet moment raises unsettling questions about what lingers beneath the surface. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that and more is what you can expect on your favorite telenovela Inimba. And these are episodes from Monday the 19th till Friday the 23rd of January 2026. So comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.